Hello there, in this video we are going to learn how to fix the issue if user is complaining that I'm not able to send email as well as I'm not able to receive the email, but somehow I am able to access network drive. This is something tricky, issue. So to confirm that whether the machine is receiving internet or not, to check that, go to the command prompt. I just press Windows home key and the R button to come up this run window. Just type cmd and I will try to ping the Google to check whether internet is coming or not on this machine. Ping www.google.com. So I typed www.google.com to confirm whether the internet is working or not on this machine. There was 4 times W, so that's what it's not pinging. Alright, so I'm receiving reply from the google.com. That means the internet is coming on this machine, but somehow some setting messed up. That's what the Outlook and the internet not working on the website. Let me open the Internet Explorer as well. Alright, and I will try to open youtube.com. You are not connected, but I'm getting reply from the Google. That means there's something missing in the setting. Alright, let me open the google.com. Okay, still we are not able to open the google.com, but from the command prompt I'm getting reply that this machine have the internet connection. So what we have to check else? Okay, now go to the internet connection, internet options, go to the connection, LAN setting. All right, you can see use a proxy server. In case proxy server is down, also that means you won't able to access internet. Somehow it happens, sometime it happen when you working from the home, when you were working from the home and somehow after connecting VPN, this connection was proxy server was established, but somehow it was not disabled thereon. So you have to uncheck this box, say okay, and this option should be enabled all the time, automatic detect setting. All right, say okay, click on okay, and now open the Outlook and let's see what happened. One more try, we will give that one is okay. Now it's connected to Microsoft Exchange. Now I will try to open the google.com. It is also working. So the issue was the connection setting in the Internet Explorer. So what I was did is I went to the internet option, I went to the connection setting, I went to LAN setting, and I just unchecked this box. Once I did this, I was able to access the internet. Also now you could see connected to Microsoft Exchange. Earlier is but not disconnected, right? So this is how you will fix the problem. Thank you very much. Let's see you in next video.